In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for meetings. Whether you're hosting a quick stand-up or a longer workshop, this walkthrough will show you how to set up a clear, collaborative board, bring in your team, and run a smooth session from start to finish. Start by setting up your board. Open Miro and create or open a meeting board you'll use consistently. Give it a clear name so people can find it later. Add 3 frames right away, one for the agenda, one for shared notes, and one for action items. Frames are like slides or chapters and they keep everyone oriented. Label each frame with a big readable title and consider color coding them so people can tell at a glance where they are. If you have a regular meeting, save this as a reusable template so you're not rebuilding it each time. Lock any background shapes or headings so they don't get moved accidentally. Next, add content. Use text boxes to outline the agenda and add timing or objectives under each item. Place sticky notes where you want input and include a 1-sentence instruction like add 1 idea per sticky so it's clear how to participate. Shapes and dividers help you group topics and prevent clutter. Keep fonts large and consistent and use color intentionally, perhaps 1 color per topic or team. If you need to show examples, paste screenshots or short links and use connectors to map relationships between ideas. The goal is to make it obvious where discussion happens and where decisions are captured. When you're ready to invite participants, click share and copy the board link. Before sending, set the right permissions, decide whether people should view, comment, or edit, and limit broader access to avoid surprises. If you have external guests, enable link access thoughtfully and test it in a private browser to confirm it works. Let attendees know where to start by pointing them to the agenda frame. Now run the meeting. Begin with a quick orientation, show the agenda, the notes area, and the action items frame. Use the outline or presentation mode to move through frames in order. When it's time to collaborate, use sticky notes and comments and start a timer for focused activities. If the group is large, use Bring Everyone to Me to center the board on your screen. For decisions, run a quick voting session and then capture the outcome right in the notes. As actions emerge, write them in the action items frame with a clear owner and due date. Wrap up by reviewing decisions and next steps, then export the board or share the link so everyone can revisit the materials after the meeting.